Hey guys, it's Kamiyah Queen back at again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I got my hair like this. And please excuse my voice, I am a slight bit sick. But other than that, I'm just going to show you how I got this bomb hairstyle that I just thought of like just now. Like, I'm just hard, like I don't know what to tell you. Like, I just think of hairstyles and I do them and it's like, girl, why didn't you ever do this before? Like, this is just like bomb. So, like, yeah, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm just going to get started. Okay, so you just want to start off by getting a mirror and parting your hair straight down the middle. And just make sure that your line is straight, and that's about it. You fixed up your line, you're going to make this diagonal part on one side, and then make another even diagonal part on the other side of your middle part. And just twist that together. And I used one of those gold clips just to keep it together for now. And now I'm just fixing it up a little bit. So first you just want to take a gel of your choice. I'm using XOXO gel, and you want to use your spray bottle and spray some water on it, brush it together, and put scrunchie around it, and then just repeat that to the other side. So spray some water, and I did have to comb this side out because it was really tangled up. But just get your XOXO gel, brush your hair, and then put it into a scrunchie so that you have two pigtails and then a little twist dangling from the middle of your face. So now you just want to pull your ponytails tighter, and excuse me. Now you want to take these donuts, and you need two of them, and then just wrap your hair around it. And then do it to the other side and just wrap your hair around it. And this side is a little bit thicker and a little bit longer, so I had to use a scrunchie to keep it together. But yeah, that's how you get the two buns. And I just want to spray some more water just so my hair stays down. So now I just want you dang. So now you want to untwist your twist and add some gel to it. And then just braid both of them down. So split it into three and braid it. I'm pretty sure that's what everybody knows how to do, braid like that. So just braid your hair all the way down to the, not end, but like, you'll see what I'm talking about. Like, don't braid it all the way to the end, but like semi-end. So when you get to that end, you want to add some more gel, and then add gel to the whole braid, and then spray it with some water and twist it around your finger. And then I cut my gold clip in half so it would fit around my thin little braid, and I just put it to the end. And now I'm just going to repeat that to the other side. So you just want to braid that down. And now when you come to the end of the braid, you add the gel again, and then add that clip. And don't forget, you gotta do them edges. Give me a minute. It's time for the very, very best part. Do your baby hairs real quick. Just do a little swoop, swoop. Nothing fancy. Just swoop your edges, and I like to do two little swoops and do another swoop on the other side, and then do the other swoop on the other side. And then bring my sideburns down. I think that's what those are called. Sideburns, yeah. Bring the sideburns down a little bit. And just check my swoops. Make sure they all intact, okay? And that's it.